Hey there, my name is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. We just got done doing a demo wash on this log cabin here in Powers Lake, Genoa City, Wisconsin. Right below here, I did a couple of spots where I put my cleaner on there to kill off any of the mold, lichen, mildew, break down any dirt, spider webs, or bugs. Right now, you probably don't notice much of a difference now that it's wet, but when it dries, these last four pieces of siding here, and then from the corners to the PVC there, should look a little bit cleaner. I do think that you have a considerable amount of oxidation or stain fading going on. You can see under the eaves there that it's a bit darker than right here. The sun probably doesn't see this side very much. That's why this siding is a bit darker than most. So our cleaner, what it's going to do is if it hits any mold or mildew, it's going to kill that off, and that darker mold or mildew will disappear. And then from there, with no more pressure than you'd use with the garden hose, we would go ahead and gently rinse down the whole area. So we're not going to power wash the house. We're not going to strip off the sealers, or you're not going to lose your color. Essentially, that we're going to use to get this washed up is very similar to the way we would do vinyl siding, and that's a great way to go about getting that all handled and taken care of safely and effectively from the ground, no ladders. And you'll know that that'll be clean and ready to go, and then when you're down the road, when you're ready to do another coat of sealer or finish, then we can offer you a stripper or a stain removing solution as well. So the house and the garage is both included in the quote. And what I see from here is your shingles are a little darker. This side of the roof, not seeing too much for algae, except for maybe on this little eyebrow right here. So when we're washing the house, if you'd like, we can just spruce that up with our cleaner. This would be the one main side of the garage that could benefit from a cleaning. Maybe some debris removal over here. And keep in mind, if you did want us to do any roof cleaning, I would suggest to do that after your hostas are fulfilled their lifespan, because my cleaner is not going to make them very happy. And I wouldn't think your roof on this side needs much work. A little bit of cleaning could be benefit from here, and including inside the gutters there. Looks like something's growing in there. And this side would definitely need to be treated and cleaned. Fortunately, all that's going to go into the gutter, or most of it, into this downspout, and we can gather that solution up. But some of it will land on your composite deck here. No issues there. We clean your composite decks with the exact same solution that we clean roofs with, so no problems there. We'll get you a quote to spruce up your windows, get those shiny after we're done washing the house. Depending on how hard your water is in the area, your windows could turn out kind of spotted, so we'll spruce that up for you. My name is Eddie, Multi-Man Services, owner-operator. Look forward to helping you out at a high level. And any questions or would like to get on our schedule, don't hesitate to call or text me at 815-520-6020. Thanks so much.